Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here today, it's another older toys that a lot of you probably don't know about. This is the Horizon Hobby, the Vaterra, the Chevy Camaro SS 1972. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna quickly go in and unbox this thing and show you what there is inside this beautiful car. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. So when you open the boxes, they actually packed really good. Look, I opened it and it's upside down. This is the drawing, and they actually packed the car upside down. It's inverted car. So let's flip it back and pull it out. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty this thing is. Kind of a military green. Oh, it's beautiful. And they pack in those things pretty cool. Look at this. So when you open it up, you have to remove this, and then they put the it's called static cling. This thing, it's a nylon that it's very thick, prevents scratches. So when you get the body have no scratches, even though it has scratch here. Funny. I have place for the mirrors, and so let's remove everything and look at this thing. To start, look how beautiful this thing is. Look at those amazing wheels. Those are really cool rims. It's really pretty. The windows have a black tint on it. I can already see it. Look at it, just beautiful. Let's remove it real quick. We have to remove those pins. Those pins kind of like very cool. They have the light with the stickers on the light. I think that you have to peel. Now they did something pretty tricky. When you need to remove the body, the car itself tied down to the box. So you have to remove it gently, because there is light here, and you have to disconnect the light. Those vehicles come with working lights, so you have to make sure you disconnect it from your receiver. And later what you're going to want to do is to put servo extension wires right here, so you never have to remove it to the receiver. It's not such a good thing to do. Then they have those zip ties. We're just going to open those, remove the vehicle, and then the remote is just a regular Spektrum remote, so there's no point even to show it. And what we got here is this. So this is the car. It's very close to the K10 truck that we just did. Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. It's a really cool car. Now this is brushed electric, 4-wheel drive. You get with it like it's a 540, 550 style motors, and they put the isolator here so you don't get interference. Those little magnets over here, it's an old trick to prevent interference for the brush system. Regular steering servo over here. Those cars designed pretty nice. They have the disc brake. Let's do this. You can see inside the disc brake inside of the wheel, just nice. And you can see the wheels have different offset. This is the front wheel. This is the rear wheel. They have like more offset over here. So this is kind of a negative offset, and it's look actually a little bit wider also. Yeah, the rear is a little bit wider, and those are very soft, very soft tires. Now let's put the body back on it and show you. So the body also have rear tail light, just so you see how the body been wired. So it's going like this and like that. So these wires all over, good plumbing. Let's close this thing back. Yes, this is the body. Oh, it's beautiful. It sits very nice on the ground. Let's do this. I will just remove the camera from the rack. I usually don't do that during video, but I will do it right now gently. Haha, look at this. This car is just beautiful. When you look at it from the side, it looks kind of like a military vehicle that you see in like one of those car shows. Look at this. Just beautiful vehicle. Again, 110 scale, 4-wheel drive, and this is the Vaterra Camaro SS. Brushed electric. You can easily convert it to be brushless. The parts on it, very low price, and it's look realistic vehicle. Just quick glance of this vehicle. We have it available at MotoStyles shop right now. Those things running for about like $250 to $300. The reason is because there is different option that we offer to get it with certain batteries. So you need to actually contact the shop if you want to get one of those and tell us what battery you want with it, because it's not coming with a battery. So with a battery and a charger, you're going to look at around probably close to $300 for something good. So give us a call. MotoStyle Hobby Shop in Granada Hills. We have those guys, and it's funny because this is out for a while, but not a lot of people brought those in because they did not know what it is and thought maybe that the price is too high. But this is just a beautiful vehicle. See you in my next video. This is just a quick glance on the Vaterra Camaro SS. Like, subscribe, and share. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Bye.